I just got the 33 by 22 inch pegboard module for my daughter's room. She's really excited to have this above her desk, and I'm excited to give it to her. So let's unbox it and see exactly what you get. And I'll start off with, it's got some weight to it, so I'm pretty excited to see what it's made of. And when you pull it out of the box, everything is individually wrapped. You have everything you need. I love all these cute compartments. Let me undo all this so I can show you exactly what you're getting here. There is a lot going on here, and this is so cool. You get 6 of the actual pegboards themselves. This is what it looks like. Really clean on this side, and these are going to be held up with these latched pieces. You can stick them on with tape, or it does come with the hardware if you want to drill them into the wall. Probably better to drill them into the wall considering all the accessories you can hook onto these, but this will basically go on the wall, and then there are little hooks on the back of this pegboard that it will latch into. Just make sure you go the correct direction, which I almost didn't, and then those just latch right in, holds it in place, but it also means if you need to, for any reason, you can pop the pegboard off the wall so you don't damage this piece, and then can remove this piece as needed. So really nice and clean there. It even comes with a positioning guide to really help you keep it all organized. And then it comes with so many different accessories. You have like these little cute shelves that things can tip up on. You have these more organizer like bins you can hook onto it anywhere you want. And obviously if you have multiple boards next to each other, you can make sure that they all latch on together. There are these great metal pieces that again just hook right in, and then once they're latched in, you could put a book or a piece of art or anything you want sticking out of that. Probably better for letters and books, things that you want easy access to, and leave this one for the viewing. And then you also have just a ton of different hooks. You have these nice big hooks, these lovely little hooks, and you even have these clips that you can put on to hold all sorts of different things and reorganize as you want. And then you get these super cute deeper bins. You have the ones that don't have covers, and then these clear ones with covers. That's so cool. It pops open and closed on the pegboard itself. This is why I do think you want to use the screws if you can, just to make sure this can really hold all the weight. And finally, it even has shelves, and they have these metal braces. And once you get the metal braces in the right spot, this really does just clip right down, and then it's just like a nice flat shelf. This is so cool. Now, I don't know if I'll get an opportunity to show it in my daughter's room, just because she plans to cover this in all of her most personal, precious items. So I'm gonna stop the video here and just say that this is one really impressive pegboard. I think the main things I would pay attention to are making sure that you get these on perfectly the first time. If you are concerned, I would lean away from using the sticker, and I would just leave this on without touching it and just use the drill holes, because if you drill in the wrong spot, it's really easy to move that. Whereas once you get the stickers on, that's gonna be a lot harder to change positioning. And it really does come with everything you need there. And if for any reason you mess up, you can always get yourself more drywall anchors. I hope this video helps you make a decision about this really wonderful pegboard, and keep in mind that once you get it, you will get some great instructions as well that will also help you along your way. I hope this video helped.